Hello 3D printer peeps, I am here in Bambu Lab Maker World and we are going to have a look at their new tool called Make My Sign. Make My Sign is a new tool from Bambu Lab included in Maker World under their tab MakerLAB. This tool allows you to quickly and easily create a 3D printable sign. The cool thing about this tool is since you are able to export your designs as an STL file, you can create easily paintable models for multicolor printing on the Bambu Lab printers with an AMS system, or you may import those STL files into the slicer of your choice for use in any other 3D printer. Let's go ahead and check out this tool and print our very own multicolor sign using a Bambu Lab printer and the AMS system. Enter makerworld.com and click on the tab MakerLAB. You'll be presented with all of the tools available in MakerLAB. Currently, there is only one, and that is Make My Sign. I do find it interesting. It does say, more to come. Please stay tuned. Go ahead and click on Make My Sign. After clicking on Make My Sign, you will be presented with the home page of the Make My Sign tool. Inside this home page, prominently displayed are community signs that you may use to customize or print as they are. You may also create your own sign from blank. To show you how this tool works, we will go ahead and create our own sign from blank. Click on Create from Blank, and again, you will see it presents you with community templates. You can go ahead and choose one of these to customize as your own, or click on the X button to make my signs blank template. On this screen, you are faced with a very basic looking desktop publishing set of tools. Most of you who have created anything ever with Publisher and other similar tools will be familiar with how all of these tools work. The default sign base plate is this 100 by 150 rectangular plate. On the right, under plates, you will see you can change this to a circle, a star, a heart, a kitty cat, whatever this is, a bone, and 2 door hangers. This thing reminds me of a motel or hotel where there should be like a sign here with the sun and it says like free breakfast or free Wi-Fi. Yes, we have cable. Let's go ahead and create a rectangular sign. You are presented with some other basic tools such as the ability to change the color. Keeping in mind, you will be choosing the color in your slicer. I will set mine to white, the corner radius at 10, but you could change it to make it rounder or more square. Moving down, we have hole options. This is very cool. What good is a sign if there's no way to hang it? Gone are the days of having to create your own holes. You simply click on a pull-down menu and choose from the type of hole you'd like. Inside the plate, on the boundary, or on the back. Choosing, for example, double top, we'll put 2 holes inside the plate. Choosing double top under on the boundary, we'll place 2 holes on top of tabs outside the boundary of the sign so that the holes do not interfere with the sign's design at all. And the final option is on the back, where you can choose again double top. Bambu says this plate is too thin for backward holes and you need this plate to be thicker. It recommends 3 millimeters or above and presents you with a Make It Thicker button. I will go ahead and click Make It Thicker, and it's been automatically changed to 3 millimeter. Now we have a slot for hanging placed on the back of the sign. I'm going to go ahead and choose double top inside the plate. You can choose the size of your hole. They only offer 2 options, 5 millimeter and 10 millimeter. I'm not really sure why we can't get a sliding scale here, but I'm going to choose 10 millimeter. I do like to hang things on push pins, and 10 millimeter will definitely be enough for that. This brings us back to the thickness of your sign. Notice earlier it said the sign was too thin and it wanted us to change the thickness. The thickness for the actual plate is hidden right here on this thickness tab. Click on that and you can set the base plate, text and sticker, SVG, and shapes. Right now it's set to 3 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and change it back to 1 millimeter, which is the default thickness for this template. I will leave the rest of these the same. Speaking of text, stickers, SVGs, and shapes, let's go ahead and add some. Simply click on the text button and type in your text. 3D rundown. Those of you who have ever worked with any kind of desktop publishing ever know how to work with these options. Select your text size, select your text font, click on the text box, and you can go ahead and reshape this to fit the text as required. Let's go ahead and throw some emojis down, for example. Maybe the laughing emoji, the tongue out emoji, the crazy emoji, stars in the eyes emoji. I do think these emojis look a little bit small, so I'll make them bigger just to be sure the printer has an okay time printing them. Notice when choosing your text size, it does recommend a 0.2 nozzle for 20 and 24 font size. Now that we have our emojis and our plate and our holes, let's add an SVG file. Right here is the import SVG option. Click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and drag in an SVG Bambu logo that I downloaded from Printables. And there you go. It's just a tad big, so we'll shrink it down. And how about we stick it right here? Let's get this nice and fat to be sure it prints in good quality. Move our emojis around a little bit. And there you have it. We have created a 3D printable sign in about 5 minutes using Make My Sign in Bambu Lab's Maker World MakerLAB. That's an awful lot of Maker. Now that it's done, we can go ahead and export this to an STL or 3MF file. I will choose an STL file. You will see it downloaded mysigndraft.stl. While we are here, I'd like to point out one interesting feature on this, and that is the fact that this sign is actually fitting on your Bambu Lab printer's bed. If you scroll down with your mouse wheel, you will see the outline of the A1 mini bed. If you scroll down more, you will see the outline of the X1 and the P1 bed. This will give you a rough idea of how it fits on that bed and the actual size of this model. You can turn that off by clicking on the gear and unchecking Show Plate Reference. Of course, you can also change millimeter to centimeter and metric to imperial for all you monsters out there. Clicking Show Plate Reference again will bring back those plates. You can see that the default size for this sign is 100 by 150. You can simply grab the corner here to make it bigger or smaller. Oops, I've messed it up. Hold Control Z and it will in fact back you up. Now that we are done with our sign, we can click the back arrow to return to MakerLAB. You will see that it is saved as My Sign Draft. At the time of this recording, I was unable to figure out how to rename this sign. Let's go ahead and drag it into Bambu Studio. So here I am in Bambu Studio, and I'm going to drag mysigndraft.stl onto the bed. I am working with a Bambu Lab P1P with an AMS system, and my base filament color will be white. I do find it interesting that a file created by Bambu itself is being reported as non-manifold edges and being asked to repair. I will go ahead and repair. As you can see, all of the text, SVG, and other shapes and emojis are raised. This allows us to use Bambu Lab painting. Let's go ahead and add another filament. I'm going to add black, and we'll enter the painting tool. From here, you can simply use fill to fill the tops of each shape, or if you are lazy, use height range, make the height range large, go to the very tippy top layers of the model till it's all highlighted, click, and everything from that range up will now be black. And there you go. We've made a multi-material sign using Bambu Lab's Make My Sign in just a few minutes. As quick and easy as this was, it just doesn't look right to me because the Bambu Lab logo is green. So let's go ahead and add green filament to the list and paint that logo in green. I'm going to use fill and simply green the top right there. And this little notch right here is supposed to be green also. We will zoom way in here and choose triangle. That way we can avoid accidentally spilling color off of this little tab on the logo. You can simply hold your mouse button down and just move it gently around the surface of the model you are trying to triangular paint. When you get down to the nitty-gritty, just be real careful. Fill those little spots in without going overboard and slipping off the model. And there you go. We now have a green tab on the Bambu logo. Now that we've created our fancy new sign, we need to go ahead and slice it. I didn't see any suggestions on MakerWorld, so we will do our own. I am not a big fan of printing quickly, so I'm going to bring things down just to be sure that I have a successful print. I'm going to slow that first layer down a touch. We're going to look at strength. I don't know how many walls or infill it suggests for such a thin model. We will leave it as is. Obviously no supports. Because there are no supports and little to no infill, flushing into supports and infill won't be much help here. We will need that prime tower. Let's go ahead and press slice. And here she is. We can have a peek at this print. You'll see there's almost no infill whatsoever, just some right here on the Bambu logo itself. It's mostly just a couple of thin layers and 4 color swaps for a total print time of 50 minutes. I'm sure there are options you can change to create a better top layer, but we are going to keep things simple and go ahead and print it as it is. Click on Print Plate, assign your colors, and send it off to your printer. Because this is a very thin 3D model, I don't suggest attempting to flex it off the bed immediately while it's still hot and potentially soft and pliable. Wait until the model cools so it's nice and stiff, and then flex the bed to remove it more easily without warping the model. And now to make use of the hanging holes. I will take this sign, place it against my wall, stick one push pin, and stick another push pin. And there it is, our very own designed, printed and hung 3D printed sign from Bambu Lab, MakerWorld's Make My Sign. Hey.